Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics first. A compatible 64-bit Windows build and hardware virtualization turned on in BIOS or UEFI. Once done, open Windows Terminal or PowerShell as administrator. You will run the installer there. Type WSL install and press enter. This single command kicks off the process, enabling the virtual machine platform and installing the default Linux distro. You'll see progress messages. Watch for prompts to restart. If the command fails, keep the terminal open so you can capture errors for the next steps. Once the base install completes, select your Linux distribution. You can pick one from the store or run WSL install d Ubuntu to install a specific image. Make sure WSL2 is the default because it provides full Linux kernel compatibility. Run WSL set default version 2 after you install the kernel update if Windows asks. If the kernel package was required, follow the installer, then reboot. After reboot, launch your distro to complete first-run setup. Create your user account and password so the environment. You're almost done. Open the newly installed distro, create your Linux user, and immediately run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to bring packages current. Use WSL list verbose to verify running version and set your preferred distro with WSL set default distro. If something breaks, check virtualization is enabled in BIOS, install the latest Windows updates. And if features didn't enable, try running dism commands or rerun WSL install in an elevated terminal. That single troubleshooting step resolves most install failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.